So I have several of these Mitsubishi heat pumps, and over the years I've had a lot of issues getting them on the Wi-Fi network. But with the new Comfort app that was recently released and the discontinuation of the Kumo app, things have changed a little bit, and I know that there were a lot of people have had issues. But just to start from the basics, so this is the Wi-Fi module, and these two things here. This is the Bluetooth pairing button here on the lower right nearest to the flashing blue light, and the top one is the device reset button. So generally when you're switching units, it's good to hit the reset button and then go through the process of connecting with the app. And these get connected to that red input port there that you can see over there. And in some units it's over here on the side, in other units I have it's up front. It also works with a central forced air heat pump system that I have. Generally these things are pretty great. One thing that's incredibly important is to be able to switch your Wi-Fi to force an IP address, as well as I forced my Wi-Fi to be 2.4 gigahertz because these only support 2.4 gigahertz. And unless this is on a 2.4 gigahertz network and your phone is on a 2.4 gigahertz network, they never find the device. And this is something that is incredibly important and that I often forget. And so by disabling the 5 gigahertz network on your Wi-Fi, it makes this whole process a lot easier. And then when you want to put it in pairing mode, you hold this down for 4 seconds. It will go blank. I'm gonna now release it, wait a few seconds, and now you see when it blinks rapidly 4 lights and 4 flashes, it's now in pairing mode. And then if you want to reset it, you hit this button here, and that'll erase the Wi-Fi networks and everything else.